Greetings, y'all, Sir Sparky here, and today I'm about to give you all a cartoon character review on Sparky the Fairy Dog from Fairly Odd Parents. It all started when Timmy wanted a pet, so he stopped by the pet shop, and that's when he met Sparky. Well, let's just say he and him have amazing adventures. In fact, Sparky can do a lot of things, like ride a bike, cook, becoming a hero, not to mention a super spy. And believe you me, it is amazing. In fact, he became a horse and then a human. He also has a anti-version of himself known as Anti-Sparky. Oh, boy, was that a calamity at that. Hey, don't get me wrong, but Sparky is amazing. But what if Sparky starred in his own animated series? Picture this. Sparky ends up in a place called Fairy Tale Land, where he works in the Fairy Tale Police Department with Johnny Legend, Christine Anderson, to help the fairy tale characters and solve mysteries and such. He even teams up with a magical cat. Tell me what you viewers think.